Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just turned on the camera in order to give you an update. Almost 3 weeks with no videos here on my YouTube channel. It's quite a lot, and I don't want that you start to think that, let's say, I'm neglecting my channel and all of you, the community that decided to subscribe to it, that's following my journey in RC Rally, and that in general enjoys my videos. I've been pretty busy. If I look at the videos that I've posted in the last 4 months, most of them focused on racing. In general, here on my YouTube channel you find videos of my races, but also tutorials. This season it's a bit different because I'm focusing 100% of my new RC Rally car that, if you do not know, it has been developed together with my friend, completely almost from zero, as usual, using parts from Tamiya, X-Ray and so on, but most of them are developed by ourselves. So with my friend Michał, we are working really hard in order to develop this RC model in a good way. RC model that has a very good potential. I'm after 5 RC rally races in which I'm doing pretty well. 3rd place in Poland, 4th in Czech Republic off-road in extremely hard RC rally, fighting for the podium. Almost top 10 in Intercup, which is an extremely hard RC rally, and so on. And the car is in continuous development. So what's going on? In my free time, rather than filming videos, I have a few ideas about few videos to film. I'm focusing on the car. I go to Michał's house and we together do, let's say, brainstorming. We try to develop new parts and so on. So this is how I spend my free time that I have for my hobby, RC Rally. But don't worry, I will share almost everything about this journey together with you. So just to give you a few updates. Now the model is completely disassembled because after the last off-road race, I'm cleaning everything, the bearings and so on. This Sunday I'm going to race on road here in Poland, and we are going to test a few new things. Before talking about the few new things that we are going to test, I would like to give you also an update about Michał's season, that he's using the same car as me. He did 2 RC rallies with this new car, and in the off-road race, that the last one that I did, I was constantly fighting for the podium, and he was constantly 5th, and he was able to win one stage, so it's a great result. Also, he did another rally in which I was not able to take part, a rally on road, and he was constantly 2nd. He finished overall 3rd because he had, before the first stage, a small mechanical issue, and if I'm not mistaken, he was able to win a stage also there. So this is a model that has a very good potential and we are working on it. Okay, about the updates. If you remember, at the beginning of this season we were able to assemble this car, but we were missing a proper cover in order to, let's say, protect the electronic and mechanical parts from the dirt. We have developed a top cover and the new side parts. This one, they are not perfect, they are broken because the parts that were attaching this side covers to the chassis were too small, but overall the cover is almost ready, but this is still a prototype. The top part weighs almost 55 grams and it's too much. So we are constantly developing parts. We think that we'll do a mix of carbon parts, PET parts and 3D printed parts in order to build a proper lightweight cover, and maybe at the end of the season or before the end of the season we are going to develop a new underplate with new holes in order to attach this new cover that we are developing. About the improvements for the car, so now we are able to, let's say, develop a correct roll center, a correct angle for the dampers for make work everything. This chassis is almost 50-50 weight distribution. Now we already tested a new Ackerman angle for the front, a more aggressive one, and the model is rotating in a much faster way. Also, another thing that I started to test in the last weeks is the center differential. I did a test with 10,000 gradation of oil, 200,000 and 50,000. In these three values, I found the 50,000 more suitable. The car rotates in a good way. The car still oversteers a bit if you give power entering the corner, and I feel that mid-corner and exiting the corner, the central differential on high grip condition is working in a quite good well. So in theory, this is a step forward in order to make this RC model faster. But this Sunday, we will see. I'm going to race with the 50,000 gradation of oil, the center differential. Meanwhile, Mihao will use a gradation of oil in the center differential of about 80,000 if I remember correctly. Another thing that we changed from the setup point of view, I'm going to use a bit of a longer final gear ratio, an increase of 2 teeth the pinion of the motor. In theory, this should help me to have a smoother driving with less, let's say, drag brake. And so these are the overall changes that I made on the model. As you can see, I've been we are pretty busy, and because of that, I was unable to make many videos that were on my mind. A lot of things are happening right now, and being here on YouTube, sharing my passion, it's my priority. That's why I'm posting this video today and not on Friday as I usually do. And I think that on Friday, in these days, if I will be able to film a video, you will see the new parts that we developed, the new cover, and so on, and maybe it's going to inspire you. You are going to find it helpful. Okay, guys, I think that's all for this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. A reminder to leave a like and subscribe in order to support my channel, and see you soon. Ciao!